Welcome to the Crypto Injured channel. Trump token, which I do hold a very small bag of, is finally getting the move to the upside, up 26% on the day. So I do love what I'm seeing on Trump token. Now, let's dive right into it because I looked at the chart. I just saw it was up 26%. So I thought, hey, it's high time I make an update on Trump token. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame and below. I don't really think there's going to be any data above the 4-hour time frame. Really, the 4-hour time frame doesn't even have all the data I want. The 3-hour time frame just started to get the 200-day moving average as data. You can see right now we rejected off that at 2367. The 2-hour time frame, the 200-day moving average would be below you. So if you cannot get back above 2667, I'd be looking for $19.16 to be hit on this asset. So we'll see what happens if you don't hold $19. Then I would look for the 1-hour 200-day moving average to be hit, which is currently coming in all the way down here at $16.65. So let's kind of break this down and see if it looks bullish or bearish. That is a parabolic move. So let me just re-look at this. So it just was a capitulation. I do believe that's obviously going to be your low around that $14 level. Now the question is right now, let me get rid of this green candle thing here. The question is now that you have massive resistance at that $25 region. Now, I'm going to see if I can get rid of some of these white lines because it's a little much. But I will say, if you can't break $25, it's a bad situation for the bulls. It's a bad situation for bag holders. Like me, I don't remember. It says, maybe I got in at 20 bucks here. I'd have to look. I should have bought more at 20, that's for sure. But I will say, let's go put the RSI back on. The 4-hour time frame is rolling over. So that is locally your high for a while now. $25 is going to become massive resistance. If we jump down to the 1 hour, you can see that that's trying to make a higher low. The question is, can we use the $18 as support? Or are we going to break through that and go down to 14? If you can hold 18 as support, that would be a great sign. The 15-minute time frame is kind of struggling. You would have loved to see this kind of start getting a bounce here when you had like 3 green candles, but you rolled over. So to me, it's actually likely at this point, based on looking at the 15-minute time frame, that the fact you couldn't get this to become a falling wedge. Usually that's a falling wedge. They break up 70% of the time. This one did not. Is likely at this point, this it's going to go down to that support around $18. So that's kind of what's next for this. But it's good that we saw some life with this. And obviously at one point it was up well above 25%, maybe above around 50%. So that's what I'd be looking at for Trump token is move back to 1827. If you break that, 1435. I also don't love the fact you lost a 21 on the 15-minute time frame in the blue line. It's likely anytime on any time frame you lose a 21-day moving average, you go to the 200-day moving average. And that's coming in at 1746. That'd be below your support. So right now, Trump token, even though it got a nice pump, it kind of still looks really bad. So I gotta say, it does not look good to me. Right now, if you really believe in this, it's a meme coin, I would be buying more. I'm hesitant too because I don't think there's any value in this. There's no use case. But I will say, if you do believe in this long term, it might not be a bad idea to buy more at that $18 level. So this is not financial advice, but it's looking likely that the next stop is $18 and then $14.35 on Trump token. Unfortunately, as long as you hold this low here, technically that's not a bad sign for a higher low around 14 if we can get that. Anyways, with that being said, guys, I see a short-term downside coming down to $18 on Trump token. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can find out when I post my next video. I know when I post my videos. And if you guys want to join the trading group, the link to join is in the description below. If you guys have requests for other altcoins, let me know in the comment section below. If you guys want to join my free trading group, the Telegram link to join is also in the description below. And I will see you guys in the next one. I'll be live Saturday at 11 p.m. Central Time. Until then, adios.